For a long time, there was one picture of the universe, one sense of how things worked. The universe was created by God for us, so he gave us an owner's manual. But during this period, people started being dissatisfied with that picture. Descartes decided that he was going to start science anew. He was going to create science. And this is the moment when everything changes. This moment right here. We used to be at the center of the universe. And then Copernicus came along and said, no. We're just a rock. Now, at least we're at the pinnacle of living beings, because God gave Adam dominion over the animals until Darwin took that away in 1859 and said, no, we're just another animal. We're the hairless apes. Descartes gave us many more years to live, but he took away the reason to live those years. Nietzsche sees a universe that has been stripped of meaning. And this is what Nietzsche calls the death of God. Each one of these philosophers, Descartes and Hume and Kant, thought they found the right answer. They thought they found the final answer until the next one came along. He said, that's great, but I can make it better.